Inflation got you down, hitting you in the pocket, got you eating your weight in ramen. But don't throw out those containers. We're going to fight inflation with those. When you're pinching pennies, every little bit helps. Now, it's not just ramen containers. I use just about anything I can get my hands on. I cut some slots in the lid and use ordinary paper towel as a wick. Sometimes I buy hydroponic grow pads. They work good. Sometimes I make my own, free ones, from egg cartons and such. Now that's an easy self-watering grow container. I have several videos on it on my channel. Check it out. Just about any size food container works. Use your imagination. Now we've already talked in another video how hydroponics saves water. A valuable natural resource. Most water in traditional agriculture gets lost to evaporation or runoff. And if you're growing at home, some of us have to pay for water. So saving water with hydroponics is not only good for the planet, it's also good for your pocket. When prices soar, a lot of us think, I want to start my own garden. But it takes a lot of work. It can also take a good bit of money, and you won't be able to afford all that ramen. So now is not the best time to think or worry about inflation. The best time is before it happens. As it always does, it goes up and down. Now I grew up in the Scouts, and our motto was, be prepared. And that's stuck in my mind. Another one is hope for the best, prepare for the worst. Now, do you think I went to the store and bought all of these milk containers? It took me about 6 months to save all these. Kind of like this. What's in the bag? It's a bunch of free containers. I saved them up instead of throwing them out or putting them in the recycling. That's me not waiting and complaining. It's preparing, just in case. I want you to do the same. I know we're in the thick of it right now. Some of you prepared, some of you didn't. But it's not too late. You know, who knows how long this will drag on. Now, if it ends quickly, that's great. But let it be a lesson. Let it be a lesson not to wait for bad things to happen, but to prepare for them. To be more self-sufficient and live to inspire. To always keep on growing and be the change. Much love. I'll catch you all next time.